Hi, this is Swati. Let us see how to form an quadratic equation if the roots are given. So, if the roots are alpha and beta, the formation of quadratic equation is as below. So, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. So basically x square minus sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is alpha plus beta into x plus product of the roots is alpha beta. This is the formation. Now let's see an example. If the roots are a and 1 by a, find the equation. So sum is equal to a plus 1 by a and product is equal to a into 1 by a, which is equal to 1. So let us frame an equation. So x square minus sum of the roots, which is a plus 1 by a into x, plus product, which is 1, is equal to 0. Hope you understood the solution. Thank you.